Hello everyone, this is Hitechtalk. So in this video, I will show you how to create a Instagram group. So in 2023, how can you create an Instagram group? So I will show you in my mobile screen. So first of all, open your Instagram app, then go to message section. So here you have to click on this pencil icon on the top right, you can see, and after this you have to select a user. For example, I have selected this user and I will click on create group chat. So here you can see the group is created. So now you can go here and name whatever you want, and it's done. You can write the name here. The group name is created. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.